Here in Florida, we have a slightly different take on what exactly is hard rain. Anyway, this is hard rain. No, that's not a hose. Hose is over there, though. Oh, he looks sad. His 10-foot buddies don't care, though. In the back there. Yeah, they don't care. That funny-looking stuff in a line is purple millet. It doesn't care either. And I think the fish care. Pretty sure they're caring about it right now. And that hose is just, you know, off the roof. Vines like it, though. Vines are all like, yeah! So, that's what I'm talking about. Right there.